For thousands of years, humans looked at birds and dreamed of flying through the sky themselves. One of the earliest steps toward flight came from ancient China, where kites first took to the air. Many inventors tried to imitate birds, but most early flying experiments ended in failure. Leonardo da Vinci imagined flying machines centuries before technology could make them possible. In 1783, hot air balloons carried people into the sky for the very first time. Gliders helped inventors understand the principles of lift, balance, and controlled flight. Everything changed in 1903 when the Wright Brothers achieved the first powered flight. Their airplane stayed airborne for only 12 seconds, but it changed history forever. Aircraft technology advanced quickly, allowing planes to fly farther, faster, and more safely. Commercial aviation connected continents and transformed the way people travel around the world.
Jet engines revolutionized flight, making long-distance travel faster than ever before. The science of flight eventually helped humans go beyond the atmosphere and into space. Today, advanced aircraft, drones, and reusable rockets continue pushing aviation forward. From simple kites to space travel, humanity transformed an ancient dream into reality. The story of flight is still